Hi, this is Akshata Gaikwad and I work for BMC Atrium Orchestrator product. In this video, we are going to see how to configure Remedyforce actor adapter. Second, we are going to see how to create objects in Remedyforce using Atrium Orchestrator workflow. And the last one, after creating object, we are going to view that object in Remedyforce by using Query Manager tool. Let's configure Remedyforce actor adapter on Grid Manager. Click Configure and provide the adapter name here. Remedyforce is built on Salesforce, so we need to first connect to Salesforce by providing the endpoint address and the login credentials of Salesforce. We will find endpoint address at the Salesforce site, so let's log in to Salesforce using https://login.salesforce.com on web browser. Provide the credentials here and click Login. After login, click Setup. On the left hand side, we will find Develop, expand it, click on API, click Generate Enterprise Visual, click on Generate. It will generate Enterprise Visual. Go at the bottom on this page. Here, we will find endpoint address. Copy this URL in a text pad. Last part on this URL is a org ID. If you want to use a generic URL which will work for any user, then you don't need to append org ID to it and provide the URL without org ID. In this URL, we will need to replace C by U. C denotes as Enterprise Visual and U denotes as Partner Visual, and we will need to provide the Partner Visual in the adapter configuration. So copy this URL and provide it in the adapter configuration. Now we will need to provide username and password which required to log on to Salesforce. Now click OK and activate this adapter on peer. After activating the adapter, now we will run Create Objects workflow in DevStudio. Let's open DevStudio. You will need to import module AO-AD BMC Remedyforce from repository to DevStudio. Expand this module, open Create Objects workflow and test the workflow. Click OK. Provide the adapter name here, which we have configured on Grid Manager. In this example, we are going to create user object in Remedyforce. So we will need to provide the fields which are required to create object in object input parameter. I have listed down the required fields. We will copy this XML and pass it in the workflow. Select XML here. Click OK. After workflow execution, we will get a record ID. Now we can check this record using Query Manager tool in Salesforce. Open Query Manager tool on web browser. This tool has been provided by Salesforce. By using this tool, we can create and execute queries on object. We don't need to log in Salesforce application and search for the object. Instead, we can use this tool. Click Login with Salesforce. Select SOQL query and the object which we have created in Dev Studio. Click Select. Here we will execute an query on user object based on the record ID which we have received in Create Objects workflow. Click Query. Click on the record. In this way, you can view the record details. Thank you.